Mount Webster, southernmost peak along the presidential range. Although Mount Webster is included in a traditional presidential traverse, nor is it a 4,000 footer, it's a peak often climbed in conjunction with Mount Jackson and Mount Pierce. From the summit of Mount Webster, you can see across Crawford Notch to the Wiley Range. If you spin 180 degrees, you can see the southern presidentials along with Mount Washington.
Yeah, we're going to cross a little bit of a water crossing here. There's Jake and Harry. The water crossing. There's Nick coming up. There he is. He's got a 360 camera.
Oh no. Look at that.
Gonna cross that little ice bridge there. This is the first hike. We got waterfall here.
I'll take a couple pictures from
Little water, the pool. Harry's gonna go over the precarious log right now. Jake's taking a picture. There he goes. Hopefully Harry doesn't get swallowed up.
The hammer to completely freeze up and decide not to work. Yep, that's okay.
Miles an hour winds, gusts. There's Nick, there's Harry back there. And I got Jake.
Out at the top of Mount Webster, 4,000 feet plus, and the winds are just crazy. You know, Jake doesn't have anything on his face right now, not a good thing. Frostbite quite easily. We're all trying to take pictures and all that of this crazy wind here, as you can see. Snow covered with rime ice, and you really can't see much because it's overcast. The storm came in over the mountain, but quite awesome, as you can see. Hope you enjoyed the video. Join us on the next one. Click and subscribe. Thank you.